Dating challenges I faced? पूछो मत. एक तो peer pressure. Plus, I didn't want just another relationship. Actually, I had gone through a really bad experience before. And I knew कुछ तो different करना होगा इस बार. I was searching for life partner on dating and matrimonial websites for more than 2 years. I came across fake profiles, scams, unfiltered people looking for casual flings, either money or sex, and not ready to commit. I met people who had one thing on their profile and were completely different in reality. इतना frustrating था ये process that it made me feel drained and exhausted. In these 2 years, I didn't even come across one person who was good enough to consider. I felt so disappointed that मैंने सारे वेबसाइट से अपनी प्रोफाइल डिलीट कर दी and I gave up on my hope to find someone good.
I was in a serious relationship for 5 years. It ended after I came to know when she cheated on me. After it ended, I was a mess. I couldn't trust women anymore. Those days. I didn't date for 3 years. I just couldn't. After 3 years, I started to feel lonely. And then I realized I needed someone who I could share my life with. And finally, when I gathered courage to look for someone, I found out women judged me on basis of how much money I made, looks, or treated me like an emotional dustbin. See, I'm okay with all the logistics, but relationships are supposed to be more than that. And I wanted a mature relationship. And the serious lack of people who want to build relationship, I felt disappointed even further.
One day, I came to know about conscious matchmaking from Instagram.
Me too.
The concept looked interesting, so I went to Anamify's website and explored more details about it.
Me too.
The main thing that I liked about this service is that Anamify will do everything to find you an emotionally mature partner. And that's exactly what I wanted.
Me too. I wanted just more than relationship, which is not just based on logistical checks. And bad breakups or bad marriages देख के आप वो गलती दोबारा थोड़ी करना चाहते हो.
So I signed up for this service and they gave me a few forms to fill out. Boss, the way they scrutinized me at every step, it actually reassured me. क्योंकि honestly कोई टॉम डिक एंड हैरी इतनी मेहनत नहीं करेगा. तो अगर कोई बंदा ये सारा प्रोसेस सही से कर ले तो सही है. तो that gave me a lot of assurance.
Well, मैं अपना बताऊं तो नैना से मिलना was the best thing in my life. और इस प्रोसेस में आप अपने बारे में इतना कुछ जान लेते हो कि जान के मजा आ जाएगा. मुझे पता ही नहीं था that I am attracting these kind of people because मुझे attraction ही इन्हीं लोगों से था. Then Anamika highlighted my red flags to me and I realized कि मेरी लाइफ में अब तक जो भी हुआ उसमें मेरा क्या रोल था. A healthy relationship takes two people and she made me realize that.
Yeah, totally. We both shared our realizations from the process with each other and worked really hard to become the person we are. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि इस रिलेशनशिप में कोई प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं आएंगी, बट वी नो कुछ भी आए, we can handle it together and grow and evolve from it instead of running away from it. This entire process felt like a divine intervention to me, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं this is exactly what I needed. कहते हैं ना, what you seek is actually seeking you.
I totally agree with her. Anamify has given me Naina, but more than that, it has made me a trusting person. जो मुझे कभी नहीं लगा था मैं बन पाऊंगा. Akarma said to me on our first call, you never know who is supposed to be your medium to meet your right partner. All you have to do is just take that leap of faith, and I'm glad I took that. Thank you guys. Whatever you're doing is really valuable for us.